With help from local systems integrator Eunice Lumen and technology from Cisco, Sheridan Institute of Technology and Advanced Learning, one of Canada's leading digital media and communications arts schools, can now alert and instruct its students and staff of any emergency or security situation as soon as it happens.
Well, our existing or prior solution that we had at the college was a combination of several different technologies and capabilities that required resources to maintain and manage and disseminate that information. The primary, from an audible perspective, was a fire panel, PA system, which is required for fire code and whatnot. And we've utilized that speaker system throughout the college to get messages out in an emergency situation. The challenges or issues that we've had with that system, the system is designed to have audible communications in general congregation areas and generally a loud audible tone, more designed for fire alarms at a higher rate, but with voices, it's tied into a speaker phone interface. The quality of the sound is not that great.
Oakville, Ontario-based Cisco partner Eunice Lumen implemented the solution for the college's 3 campus locations, so in the event of an emergency, messages, information, and updates can be sent immediately to wireless devices such as IP phones, digital signage, paging systems, cell phones, PDAs, email accounts, and the school's website.
We had to actually build the system in what I would say almost record time. So within a time frame of 3 months, we actually did the base research in terms of all the underlying infrastructure we had to communicate with, understanding the business rules and the general use case. And once we had that, then we could take some intellectual property that we had developed previously and marry that to, in essence, new code that we were building to manage the use case of this, or imprint the use case onto the software, and make it happen. So about 3 months.
The Sheridan Incident Response and Emergency Notification Solution, also known as Siren, is a Cisco Unified Communications technology solution that uses Cisco's unified application environment and leverages Sheridan's existing infrastructures.
What you're seeing here is 2 telephones. One's representing a telephone at our Oakville campus, and the other telephone over here is representing our Brampton campus. What we're going to show now is a lockdown situation, which will invoke the phone, both of these phones, for different messaging, targeted messaging. What you're seeing happening right now at our Oakville campus is where we're initiating the lockdown capability. The phone has immediately switched into a speaker mode or a PA mode, and it's right now playing some music, which is supposed to represent specific instructions or messaging in an audio sense. The phone's also displaying a text message on the phone with specific instructions or details on the situation. On the other telephone over here, which is at our Brampton campus, it is receiving specific messaging to indicate that there's a situation at our Oakville campus, and sending appropriate instructions to that campus as well.
Although Siren is ready for use now, Sheridan executives say they hope to have the solution live soon, so that a full drill can be conducted by the time school starts again this fall.
Investment, I would say, is fairly quick. We're looking at utilizing this technology not only in the emergency space, but looking at automating administrative tasks. For example, we have these new phones that come into the college. Right now it's somewhat of a manual process to go in and program those phones correctly. We can automate those capabilities using the Cisco UAE intelligence to help facilitate some easy maintenance tasks in the background.
The Eunice Lumen solution lowers Sheridan's total cost of ownership because it can scale to new buildings or technologies with no new costs for licensing or equipment purchases. Maxine Chung from CDN Computer Dealer News in Oakville, Ontario.